I can like barely move my face. Here's a lunch. These are so cute. Let's try it. Good morning, y'all. So today is Tuesday and I just dropped Tony off to school. So y'all are coming to the gym with me. I hope y'all been going to the gym like y'all supposed to. I have my little hair tie. I just didn't put my hair up yet. Okay, so I think I want to start with my favorite, which is the elliptical. Okay, y'all, so I'm in Target. I just had to come in here to pick up a couple of things. And I can't find what I'm looking for. Oh, I know that. Oh yeah, here it is, here it is. Yes. This is what I'm getting because I heard it was really good and it tastes just like Starbucks. You just mix it with like almond milk or whatever milk you like. So I gotta get the one that's behind the first one. Y'all know how I do. I'm gonna walk back here to the home decor. See what they have. If they have anything new. What I need right here for my plant that's next to my television, but I don't want to pay $70 for it. I like this one better. Should I get it or should I shop around? That is so cute. I really need that. I think I'm gonna shop around a little bit though and see if I can find a cheaper one at maybe Home Goods or TJ Maxx. So I'm gonna try that first. But I really need that. Okay, y'all, so now we're at Walmart. Look at God, I got me a front spot. Yes. Okay, y'all, so I made it back from the store. So I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up really quick. First of all, I picked up the wrong turkey meat. This was supposed to be ground turkey and I ended up picking up the breast fillets. So I'll either take this back or just go pick up the right kind of meat for our nachos. I picked up some cheese sauce, salsa, sweet kale salad. I'm getting ready to eat this right now because I'm starving. Spicy sweet chili Doritos because this is what we're going to use for our nachos. Tazu chai, this is the pumpkin spice latte. So you just add whatever type of milk you want and you can have it hot or cold. I've been hearing a lot about this here on YouTube, so I really wanted to give it a try. Soft tortilla bowls, some sour cream, a tomato, and shredded lettuce. Tacos and nachos tonight. And here's lunch. So this is just the sweet kale salad. And it has broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, dried cranberries, roasted pumpkin seeds, and then it's the poppy seed dressing. It's so good, y'all. Y'all should try it. I did pick it up from Walmart, just in case anyone missed it, but it's really good. This is like my second favorite salad, because y'all know I like the Asian salad kit the best, but this one is really good too. So that's what I'll be having for lunch. All right, y'all, so I'm getting ready to wind down. If you guys are wondering what's on my face, it is my, let me turn this way. It is my L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask that I'm doing. So I'm gonna let this sit on my face for about 15 minutes and I'm gonna wash it off. I did want to show you guys my new candle. And this is a Simply Fall DW Home candle. It's a vanilla pumpkin. It smells so nice, y'all. I think I might like this one better than my apple pumpkin. So it smells so good. I got this from TJ Maxx for $7.99. So I'm gonna burn this candle for the very first time with you guys. It smells so good. It's a real light sweet scent, like, but it's not too sweet because I don't like really sweet candles. So I'm gonna burn that. Sit it on here. There. Goes perfect. And I also wanted to try the drink with you guys. Now I did try it cold and I didn't really like it, so I looked up another recipe here on YouTube, and where the girl did it, she did a hot one and a cold one. So I'm gonna try the cold one, or I'm gonna try the hot one this time. And because, let me turn this way because it's so dark over there, and because I don't have a frother, I'm gonna just put a little bit of whipped cream on top. So I'm gonna be using this, and you basically just do like half and half. You do half of the concentrate and half milk of whatever, you know, milk of your choice. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and hopefully I like it. So now we just wait until it heats up a little bit. So a lot of you guys asked me where I got my hair wraps from. I got them from Amazon. It came with 3 in a pack, the white one, a black one, and a pink one. I can never find my black one. Every time I'm ready to do my facials and pin my hair back, I can never find my black one. And I gave the pink one to Kalila. So but they were pretty cheap. I think I paid about $6 for them, so I'll try to have the link in the description box below for you guys. It's about time for me to wash this face mask off because I can like barely move my face. But I really like this L'Oreal face mask. So let's try it. Oh yes, it's better hot with the whipped cream. Oh my god, that's so yummy. Yes, so y'all have to try that. It tastes really good. Yay. Starbucks who? period.